The Metcal MX5000 delivers the next generation in soldering, desoldering, and rework system performance. Its Smart Heat technology has you ready to solder in seconds with more power, great ergonomics, and the tightest of process windows. The Metcal Tip Saver workstand automatically reduces power, saving energy and extending tip life. A variety of handpieces provide optimum versatility to suit a wide range of applications, such as precision tweezers for chip removal or the ultrafine handpiece for high-density SMT applications. The ultrafine handpiece uses a new ultra-thin series of cartridges, only 3 mm in diameter, the smallest in Metcal's range of cartridges. The MX5000 is truly the ultimate precision and versatile soldering and rework system with an exclusive built-in digital power display.